Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing VS Code and terminating background processes. This avoids file locks and partial removal. Once done, export your settings and extensions so you can restore them later. Run code list extensions ext, txt, or copy settings. JSON. Make sure to disable settings sync in the gear menu so cloud state won't immediately reapply. These steps protect your preferences and keep the uninstall clean, and they speed recovery if you reinstall. Now uninstall the core program itself using the native method for your OS. On Windows, use Settings Apps or the uninstaller. On Mac OS, drag the app to trash or use brew uninstall cask Visual Studio Code. For Linux, remove via apt, snap, DNF, or the package manager you used. Make sure you run with administrator privileges where required. This ensures all installed binaries are removed. After main removal, do not empty trash, yet if you plan to recover anything, finish by removing leftover configuration, extensions, and caches from your user profile directories. For Windows, delete %appdata %\code and %user profile %\. vscode, Mac OS remove ~library /application support /code and ~. vscode, Linux remove ~. config /code. Once those folders are gone, reboot to clear locked files and confirm no VS Code processes remain. If something fails, try running the removal steps as an administrator or in safe mode. Permissions are usually the culprit, and fixing them clears the last traces.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.